Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys an easy protective style for natural hair. So I had my hair in mini twists, but they started to get really frizzy, so I'm going to be turning them into rope twists. For each braid, I'm going to be gently taking it down with a fine-tooth comb, adding the Shea Moisture, Manuka Honey, and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Hair Mask to the section, finger detangling the hair, and 2-strand twisting the hair down. And since I had the mini braids in for about 3 weeks, I'll probably leave these twists in for about a week to make it 1 month total of protective styling. And you also want to be really gentle when using the fine-tooth comb on the ends to make sure you don't snap off your ends.
It sound right, boys. It sound right, boys. It sound right, boy. It sound right, boys. It sound right, boys. It sound right, boy. It sound right, boys.
And it was taking so long to take the braids down that I had to stop halfway through and finish the next day.
It sound right, boy. It sound right, boy. It sound right, boy.
And these were the final results. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure to like this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.